Ekusina. Ekusina is a type of traditional dance that has its roots in South Africa's coastal region. For the people of the Zulu tribe, it is an expressive and rhythmic dance that forms with deep cultural importance. The Ekusina requires dancers to kick their legs in any direction, up and out, and then stamp each foot into the ground. The majority of the time, this dance is performed for entertainment during social occasions such as wedding ceremonies. The Ekusina dances, as a result, are socially created and centered on the song leaders singing interlocked words with phrases. Traditionally, it was thought that no religious event will be complete without at least one Ekusina dance performance. The Ekusina dance is a fundamental component of the social, religious, and cultural life of Zulu people, as evidenced by the description of traditional dances in South Africa. Everyone in attendance is drawn into a coherent action atmosphere by the intimate relation between body movement